Alright, this is going to be 9mm, 124 grain, HST, standard pressure, about 1150, 15 feet. Let's see what we got.
Yeah.
Perfect shot. Can you camera me?
Alright, check it out.
Pretty good on the soap.
You hit the soap?
Just off to the right.
Oh shit.
So you can see the hole in the soap. It ripped it pretty good.
Hell yeah.
Pretty good, pretty good. Let's see what we got. Here's the second jug. Went in right there. Some good expansion came out right here. And we caught the round right here in the third jug. It went in and tried to exit the bottom, but nothing. Let's see what we got. Hold on. Pretty good, pretty good. There's the star.
Yeah.
The side.
Take a perfect one.
Just ripping. She got her backside. Perfect.
Yes,
perfect star. Perfect, perfect.
Hell yeah.
Got it.
So good.